I got this Yowie surprise, and it's named Diddy. It has a mustache. It's so cute. Let's see what's inside. Oh, it's chocolate. Yum. Wow. That just like melts in my mouth. There's an egg in there. There's a sheet saying what it is. It's a big city salamander. It says, in Mexico City's lake, I can't pronounce that word, the axolotl adult remains aquatic and gilled instead of developing lungs to breathe like other salamanders. It's considered one of the most critically endangered species in the wild. Based on an Aztec myth, its name comes from the Xolotl, god of all things grim. Cool myth. This guy looks so cute. It has like little feather-like things, but they must not be feathers. He's like a pinkish white. That's really cool.